Let us look at the next topic, day and night. So, how do we get days on earth and how do we get nights? In order to understand this, let us first learn something more about the earth. On the right hand side, you can see the picture of the earth and a pole that sticks out of the earth. This is nothing but an imaginary line. Imaginary lines do not exist, they are not real. We just imagine that the earth has these lines so that we can get a better understanding of the shape of the earth and how it works. So, the axis is an imaginary line on which the earth spins. It runs from the top to bottom of the earth. We believe that there is an imaginary line called the axis which runs through the center of the earth, right from the top to the bottom. Now, this axis is tilted at a certain angle. And when the earth spins on its own axis, it is called rotation. Let us look at some examples of rotation. Windmills follow rotation. The blades of a helicopter, they also use the motion of rotation, and fidget spinners also rotate. When something goes round and round in its own spot, it is called rotation. If you stand in one spot and keep on turning around in a circle, this is called a rotation. The rotation of the earth causes day and night. You know it very well that the earth, just like the other planets, move around the sun. So, the earth also spins on its own axis, and this rotation is what causes days and nights. The part of the earth that gets sunlight has day, and the part of the earth that faces away from the sun and does not get sunlight has nights. You can clearly see in the picture that that part which is facing the earth has daytime, and the part which is away from the sun is dark, which means it has night. Days and nights are caused because of the rotation of the earth. As the earth keeps on rotating, we get days, we get evening, and then as it keeps on rotating, it does not stop rotating. It keeps on rotating. As it keeps on rotating, we also get night, and then again another day and night time, again another day and night time, and it goes on and on. The earth takes 24 hours to complete one rotation. That's why one day for us lasts for 24 hours. The earth spins on its own axis, and by the time it completes one rotation, it is already 24 hours, which means we complete one day after one rotation. So, what would have happened if the earth was not a spherical shape? What if the earth had a flat shape, as you see in the picture? So, if the earth had a flat shape, there would be no rotation, which also means that one part will always have day and the other part will always have night.